Rotarian Sharat Chowdhury, District Governor, Rotarian Sita Gopala, all other Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen. It is so heartwarming to be remembered by some persons after many years of retirement. It is about 30 years since I left Hyderabad for the UNESCO assignment. However, I used to make it a point to meet my colleagues and friends on my visits home and by email or phone at other times. I used to be in touch with various Rotary clubs when I was in service, and I am aware of the noble objectives which you all have and the various activities you all undertake to help persons and organizations in need of assistance. It is good to know that these activities continue and probably go from strength to strength. When I think of the long years spent in the service, I think two things stand out. Incidentally, I was the first lady IAS officer of our British. And it was quite amusing sometimes because the persons who were in charge of my training sometimes didn't know what to do with me. But now there are so many ladies that there's absolutely no problem. The Indian Administrative Service provides the widest possible opportunities to do good for society. How fortunate we are to get these chances to help others. Considering that we are liable to be posted to any department, we are forced to study each department in depth and thereby help a wider range of persons requiring our guidance, sympathy and understanding. Speaking for myself, I feel in retrospect that I learned most in the very early years of my service. Those days, we were in the field from the age of 23 years. I was only 23 years old when I was in the field. Most of us were fresh from college and had no or little experience of field work. It was so wonderful to see the trust with which we were approached, the efforts we made to understand the issues, and then when the problems are solved, to feel the gratitude of those we had helped. I think that for me, the years when I was an assistant collector under training were among the happiest and most fruitful. I had mentors at various levels, some of whom are still around. Incidentally, after my retirement, because I wanted to continue helping people to the extent that I was, I set up a charitable trust through which I try to help as many people as I can. And in this regard, I must tell you that Hajira, whom I've known for many years now, she keeps visiting me from time to time. And she said that they needed some assistance for felicitating ASHA workers. And she asked me whether I would be prepared to help. So I said I would be very happy to contact. The Rotary Clubs also have the privilege to help society in various ways. I've heard with some amazement the number of activities that have been undertaken this past year. And I was listening again with amazement at the program that the new president has for the coming year. What amazes me is how you're able to do all this over and above your normal activities. It must take for a lot of sacrifice. But from my own experience of working in the field for so many years, it's something which gives you so much of satisfaction. It gives you so much of happiness that in some way we can use our talents, we can use our money, we can use our influence to help others. And I think in this regard, members of the Rotary Club have extremely good opportunities to do their part for the betterment of our society. What a noble objective. Today we have witnessed the installation of Rotarian Amardeep Singh as President and Rotarian Hajra Azib as Secretary. As I said, I have known Hajra for several years now, and I am amazed at her enthusiasm and energy in working for social welfare causes. I wonder how she finds the energy and time to do everything that she does and would like to do. I am confident that she will do her best to take them forward. I have not had the privilege of knowing Rotarian Amardeep Singh, but I am sure that he, as President, will provide the support and guidance required to take the objectives of this club forward. I feel honored to have been invited to today's installation ceremony. I wish the incumbents all the best. May God be with you all.